One of the many fun things you can do with the VDB Expo app is mark your favorites and build collections. So let's look at how to do that. We're going to go into the search. Remember, you can go in through this top menu or from this pink button when you're on the home page. And the top menu search is always available. If you want to return to search at any time when you're in this environment with the left panel icons, you can also return by going to this magnifying glass. Okay, so let's do a search by vendor. Let's go to there. So we're going to search for this supplier's goods. And now we're going to look at what's available. And if you want to mark something as a favorite, you just mark the heart. And as you noticed, there was a little animation that showed that item being added to your favorites. I'll mark another one. Watch the animation this time. See, now we've added some things to your favorites. If we go open up the favorites icon, you can see we have these two favorites sitting here. Now we can create a collection. So we can call this collection Things to See When I Visit This Vendor. So I'm going to save that collection. And now I'm going to add these two items to the collection. I can either click on them and drag them into that collection, or I could have clicked this little dot and added both of them at the same time. So now we have two items to see when we go visit Diarra through our video meeting during Expo. So let's go back to search. Let's make another collection. So now we're just looking for round stones. We need this range, decent color, but let's not refine it more than that. So now we've got some diamonds to look at, and let's add this one and this one, maybe this one. So we've added 3 diamonds to this collection, and then maybe we want to modify the search, and this time we want to see a couple of ovals, same range. That one's pretty yummy. Let's add that one. And this one. Okay, now we're going to go back into our favorites area. And let's create a new collection, and we're going to call this For Mrs. Cohen, because we're shopping for some diamonds specifically for her today. Okay, so for Mrs. Cohen, we're going to add all of these. So we're going to click all of these and then just drag the whole group into her collection. So that's how you build favorites and collections using VDB Expo app.